Hello friends, today I will show some basic and advanced setting on OBS Studio, and then I will also show video recording with webcam. Let's go. First, download and install OBS Studio. Go to Google, write OBS Studio, choose your OBS Studio according to your machine, Windows, macOS or Linux. This is totally free. I have already installed. That's why I don't need download and install. When you have finished, download and install. Open your OBS Studio. You'll find like this screen. Here is sense and source. Create source under the screen. Click on plus icon or right click on source. You have different types of options. Window capture. This means it capture the window. Maybe you have different types of window, browser or another software or something. Then you need to select the window, and also video capture for webcam, and here is also display capture. It will capture the current display. I am selecting display capture. Name the display. I put display, and capture method, keep it automatic, and display. I want one monitor. This is my monitor, and click capture cursor. If not, I don't see where is my cursor. Okay, let's go. Now I am show some simple settings. Click on settings. In general, you can change your language for OBS. Then appearance, keep it default. Stream, keep it also default. Go to output. Here is output method. Simple and advanced. For simple setting, choice simple. Video widget. Video widget you can maybe you can augment it little bit, but I think to 2500 kbps is okay. Audio widget also 160 by default is okay. Video encoder I want to choose my graphics card, because if I choose a software X264, maybe for editing it will be problem because of low bit encoded. Encoder preset, keep it default. Now recording path, you can put as you want, and the recording quality, this is very important. By default same as the stream. I have chosen high quality medium file size, because this option medium file size, there's another two options in distinguishable quality for large file. Large file may be problem in future for rendering and pre-processing. What if you want, you can use. I am choosing high quality medium file size, and the recorded format by default .mkv is not supported in every higher. I am choosing .mp4. And video encoder, this is my machine graphics card, and audio track, uh, I want to put one is okay. Then apply. Okay, basic settings okay. Okay, there is another important setting is video setting. Go to settings, then go to video. Before video setting, I am requested don't started recording. Two options is very important: base canvas resolution and output scale resolution. Base canvas resolution is my monitor resolution. My monitor is 1920 and 1080. Aspect ratio is automatic, is a default. I want to put this one, and the output resolution I am choosing as same as my monitor resolution. That's mean which resolution I want to record my video. Okay, and confirm APS value. I think the 60 is better. By default, it put 36 is better for better quality of video. Then apply. Okay. Now we will see advanced settings. Go to settings. Then click on output. Select output method. Select advanced streaming. For video streaming, we will see later. Click on recording type. Select standard recording path. But you can keep it as default, or you can choose and the recording format .mkv by default, but maybe it's not accepted here. I think I prefer to put .mp4 and video encoder. I want to put my graphics video encoder is 264 and audio encoder keep it default. The rest of all things default is okay. A very important part is encoder settings. Rate control is very important for better quality. Be careful. CBR, so control bitrate. Control bitrate especially for uh, video streaming, and CQP for better quality. You want to choose CQP for CQP and CQ level 20. Less value of CQ level is more better quality, but be careful. Don't less than 15. And another option is VBR, variable bitrate. Variable bitrate you can also use. Actually, it's work when in a scene, for example, a lot of move it increases the bitrate. If less move, it decrease the bitrate. I think CQ is better and the default value is okay. Rest of things keep it as default. Apply. Okay, everything is okay. Now, if you start recording, it will give better quality of video. Okay, now come down bottom the left side. You have scenes and sources. You need at least one scenes. Under the scenes you will add it in the sources. Click on plus icon and first add audio input capture. Give it name microphone, for example. Then add your microphone or headphone. My headphone name is cask. Okay, you see my microphone is added here. You can sliding by up and down the volume, and audio input. This is my laptop audio. Next, add webcam for webcam video capture device. Put a name webcam. Then okay, you can select OBS camera or integrated camera. Integrated camera. This is the laptop camera and OBS camera. And for now, I am selecting OBS camera because my camera is used by another program. Okay, you see the camera. This is the camera. Next, add window capture. Give a window capture. I want to capture my browser, for example. Name browser. Okay, window YouTube Google browser. YouTube Google this browser and capture method automatic and checked capture cursor. Okay, everything is working. Now you see that this is my camera, and you can start recording. But don't forget, when you work with webcam, you need to select, instead of OBS camera, select an integrated camera, like this. You see, this is my webcam. This one, this is the integrated camera. Can you can flash anywhere, or you can resize the camera. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my video.